increasingly complex world, students are bombarded with information in the form of visual text or devices, such as graphs, charts, and maps. Visual devices resources will help you meet standards and teach students to analyze and interpret these types of texts, which are critical to students' success as they transition from the classroom to the real world. Visual devices feature 17 different types of visual text, many at multiple grade ranges or difficulty levels, which strengthen students' critical thinking skills. The first steps in the visual devices lessons are to introduce and define the featured visual text and to identify its basic components with an engaging, colorful projectable. The next step in each lesson provides step-by-step teacher-led instruction for guiding students through analyzing and applying the visual text features as the class collaborates on building a version of the text. The third step of each lesson gives students the opportunity to create and discuss a visual text either on their own or as a group. Lessons, examples of devices, and the practice and application of skills increase in difficulty at each grade range as students become better able to read more complex devices. With step-by-step guided instruction, colorful and engaging examples, and opportunities for independent student work, visual devices resources enable students to master visual literacy to meet the demands of daily life. We are committed to supporting your efforts in preparing students for both college and career.